Good day, wonderful learners! Welcome to our channel. In written English, there are cases where it is necessary to use commas to separate parts of a sentence, to highlight important moments and to improve clarity. In this video, I'm going to show you where commas should be used. Are you confused where to put a comma? Stay with me until the end of this video and find out more about this grammar. Let's get started! We use commas after introductory words or phrases. Among these are words like first of all, in addition, for example, moreover, however, and so on. Usually they are used at the beginning of sentences, but they can also appear in the middle or at the end. In these cases, we use commas to show a pause. For example, I'd like to go to the shop, however, I can order online. To my mind, this film was an absolute must-see. This film, to my mind, was an absolute must-see. Learning the grammar helps improve your English. In addition, you will increase your confidence. When we answer a question with yes or no, we use a comma before continuing the sentence. For example, yes, I do. No, I don't. When two parts of a sentence are joined by words like so, and, but, or, then you should put a comma before them. For example, I was tired yesterday, so I didn't do anything and I went to bed early. She wanted to go for a walk, but the rain started. You also need to use commas when you have sentences with conditionals. When we have a part with if at the beginning of the sentence, we always put a comma after the if part. For example, if the weather is fine, I will go for a walk. If I had more free time, I would travel more. If I had listened to your advice, I wouldn't have made this mistake. We use a comma when we list something and we need to separate one thing from another. For example, I like walking, jogging, and swimming in the pool in my free time. We use comma with relative clauses. Relative clauses are always a part of the sentence where additional information is given about things or people, or which person or thing we are talking about. When this information is given and this information is considered extra information, that is not essential information, we need to put a comma. These types of relative clause are called non-defining relative clauses. For example, my uncle, who lives in London, is coming to visit me next month. In this sentence, the essential information is that my uncle is coming to see me. The information where he lives is additional, so we use a comma. If I remove the additional information, my uncle is still coming to see me. The meaning of the sentence is not changed. Yesterday I met my neighbor, who lives next to me. In this sentence, I have one neighbor, and I'm just adding extra information about where that person lives. It is not essential to identify the neighbor, so I use a comma giving that additional information. We use commas after participle phrases at the beginning of a sentence. For example, having finished my exercises, I decided to have breakfast. Going down the stairs, I saw that someone was parking their car next to mine. We use a comma in question tags. A tag question is a type of question which is added at the end of the question to get confirmation of what the speaker has said or to clarify the information. It is a wonderful evening, isn't it? It wasn't a wonderful dinner yesterday, was it? We also use commas to separate the name or title of a person being addressed. Good day, wonderful learners. Thank you, Mr. Johnson. I hope this was a clear and helpful explanation. Commas might seem small, but they make a big difference in how sentences are understood. Without commas, the meaning of sentences can be changed. For example, I love cooking, my family, and my cat. I love cooking, my family, and my cat. I hope you see the difference. Thank you for watching, and if this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. It is much appreciated. Thank you and goodbye.